Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys one of the most beloved video that I've made on this channel, and it's the curry chicken. But in this one I'll be showing you the curry chicken that goes really fast and without bones. So if you're anything like my husband, for example, and love making your protein or your chicken without bone and love using the breast, or you're on the healthier side of things and you always go for the breast, now this is a quick and easy curry chicken that you can go with, that will be done in like 10 minutes. Now you just follow me along and you'll see all the method and the ingredients that you'll need in order to create this delicious meal that you can serve for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you're a Jamaican, you eat this any time of the day. But here we go. Here are a few things that you're gonna need: garlic, onions. You're also gonna need some assorted sweet peppers. You're gonna need some sliced up chicken breast and slice up chicken breast and cornstarch. You're also gonna need curry, of course, all-purpose chicken seasoning, and salt. And also you can add whatever seasoning that you wish to use to yours. Now I'm going to go ahead and season the chicken breast. I'm gonna add my salt, and I'm gonna also add the curry, and I'm also gonna add the all-purpose seasoning. No, I'm not using any pepper in mine, but pepper is a must in order for you to feel all that Jamaican-ness kick into this meal. But if you're not a pepper person, then you can do it the exact way that I'm doing. My husband is not so much a pepper person. My kids are gonna eat this also, so I opted not to put any pepper in there. But a hot scotch bonnet pepper, yes, you can do that, or you can use cayenne if you want. I'm just gonna rub this up to make sure that it marinate properly, and just put it down for it to marinate for a bit before I go ahead and cook this chicken. Make sure that you are rubbing in your seasoning properly, because you want to make sure that all of your meat is have seasoning on it. Now let that marinate, and after a while you can go ahead and add olive oil or coconut oil, or whichever oil that you use to create this dish. But in my case, I'm using olive oil. Then I'm gonna go ahead and saute all the assorted seasoning that I already went ahead and cut up, and you just want to make sure that you saute this on medium heat to make sure that it extracts all the nice flavors from the onions and the sweet peppers and the garlic, because you want to get all that flavor into the oil and into the pot. Now I'm going to go ahead after a while, after sauteing the seasoning enough, and add the chicken in, and you can go ahead and mix that in. Now in this case, some people will add the curry to the oil, but in my case I don't like to cook curry like that, so I add the curry directly to my meat at all times. Now the only way I'll add more curry is if when I add the liquid to it, I see that the color is not yellow enough the way I like my curry to look, then in that case I'll add curry. But go ahead and make this saute until your meat is tender. Now it's chicken breast, so you don't need to cook this long. The most cooking part will take is the actual curry itself for it to cook. That is why a lot of people burn their curry, because in that case it cooks faster. But like I said, there are many ways to cook curry, so it's okay if you use that method. Now after sauteing, I am going to go ahead right now and add some water to this curry chicken and make it simmer for a few minutes until the chicken finish cooking and the curry is cooked properly. Now you need to cook this between 8 and 10 minutes, just to ensure that your chicken is cooked properly and the curry is cooked properly, because you don't want a curry not to cook properly, because it will definitely give you a bellyache. Now after cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add my cornstarch, which I mixed out in a little water just to get the sauce thickened. Now you can allow the cornstarch to simmer between 2 to 3 minutes, and after that your curry chicken is done. As long as you follow these simple steps, you will have a curry chicken breast in less than 10 minutes. Make sure you guys taste your pot to ensure that it have enough salt, that the flavor is well balanced. Don't be afraid to taste and adjust your seasoning as needed. And as you guys can see, I also drop a piece of thyme in my curry chicken. That way the flavor is even more yummy. You can go ahead and add like onions and scallions and all the other seasoning that you wish to yours. You can even go ahead and serve this with rice, which curry always go best with rice. You can serve it over some broccolis and carrots and assorted veggies. You can even add carrot to it, but like I said, there's many ways of cooking curry chicken, but hopefully you guys enjoy this one. And if you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next yummy video. Bye guys.